Einstein had a theory that suggested that the universe is just not static, and actually it really strongly suggests that there's a beginning. The theory itself, on its own, suggests that you can see that if the universe is stretching today, then it must have been smaller in the past, right? Everything must have been closer together, let's say that. There's a man actually called Georges Lemaitre who worked independently of Einstein, but at the same time in the early 1920s, before we even knew there were other galaxies beyond the Milky Way. And they noticed that the equations suggest the universe might be stretching. He wrote to Einstein and said, "Your theory suggests there was a day without a yesterday." Because he thought if everything's expanding now, then it must have been closer together in the past, and so there might be a time when it was all together. And he was a priest. I think that he was more predisposed to accept what the equations were telling him, because a beginning, an origin for a priest is really a nice thing.